Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be learning how to reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. The expression we will be working with is open parenthesis x squared plus 5x minus 14 close parenthesis divided by open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. Let's get started. To solve the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared plus 5x minus 14 divided by x minus 2 to its lowest terms, we start with step 1, which is factoring the numerator. The given rational expression is x squared plus 5x minus 14 divided by x minus 2. Our first task is to factor the quadratic polynomial in the numerator. Factoring helps us to simplify the expression by breaking it down into simpler terms that can be easily divided. The numerator x squared plus 5x minus 14 is a quadratic expression of the form x squared plus bx plus c. In this case with a equals 1, b equals 5, and c equals minus 14. To factor this quadratic expression, we look for two numbers that multiply to give the product of a and c and at the same time add to give b. Here, the product of a and c is 1 times minus 14, which is negative 14. And b is 5. So, we need two numbers that multiply to negative 14 and add to 5. These numbers are positive 7 and negative 2. Since 7 times negative 2 equals negative 14 and 7 plus negative 2 equals 5. Next, we rewrite the quadratic expression by splitting the middle term using these two numbers. The expression x squared plus 5x minus 14 can be rewritten as x squared plus 7x minus 2x minus 14. Now, we group the terms to factor by grouping. We group x squared plus 7x together, and we also group minus 2x minus 14 together. This gives us two groups, x squared plus 7x and minus 2x minus 14. From the first group, x squared plus 7x, we factor out the greatest common factor, which is x. This leaves us with x times x plus 7. From the second group, minus 2x minus 14, we factor out the greatest common factor, which is negative 2. This leaves us with negative 2 times x plus 7. Now, we can see that both terms have a common factor of x plus 7. We factor out x plus 7 from both terms, leaving us with x plus 7 times x minus 2. So, we have factored the numerator x squared plus 5x minus 14 as x plus 7 times x minus 2. Our rational expression now looks like x plus 7 times x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. This concludes step 1, where we factored the numerator. Next, we will proceed to simplification, but that will be covered in the following steps. Step 2 involves simplifying the factored rational expression. Our expression currently is x plus 7 times x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. To simplify, we check if there are any common factors in the numerator and the denominator. In the current expression, we see that x minus 2 appears in both the numerator and the denominator. Since any number or expression divided by itself equals 1, we can cancel out the common factor of x minus 2. By canceling out x minus 2, we are left with x plus 7. This simplifies our rational expression to just x plus 7. Since there are no more factors to cancel out, our final answer is simply x plus 7. This completes our process of simplifying the rational expression to its lowest terms. The rational expression x squared plus 5x minus 14 divided by x minus 2 is reduced to the simplified form of x plus 7.